how do I do it?
Move closer to it. You're using the side profile.
Yo, what's good? What's the code? It's your boy Jay Steezy, the lazy poet from the south side where we get the faces. So easy. So we out here. We out here.
The lazy poet.
Yes, to pull out.
Mà nãy mình unschuldig bisschen.
Bracelets, bracelets.
No, this is crazy.
Yeah.
Yo, X, that's you there. No mics in the situation.
No mics. How the hell are you supposed to perform without mics, dog? Are you supposed to lip sync? I'm not doing any side
Level. I was back. I'm up behind the scenes. I was back at the level. Outfit.
kid cutting off top like a barbershop. I gag if it's I'm not going keep saying keep the rap song.
Nigga, I literally stand before me and I respect my glory. If you fuck with my glory, I'ma drop that and get glory. I done did everything except
Yo, so ikhabuluhelo lapho ebayibizang mo. Thana lumapo lusalutsebeni so you don't lose yourself. You remember later that you are spirit. Botshelo jwa motho ke tlase ka bonakonyana jwa kgabaganya. Botshelo bo rata dibitla. Lebitla ke sedimo, sedimo ke badimo, badimo ke batshedi ba kgale. Marapo a teng a besiwa nama. Ke ene matshwanyana sephiri. Sedimo sa ga sephiri dumela. Sedimo se sentle, sedimo se se ratilweng thata. Matshwanyane sephiri e nna moetsi ya borratikane. Borratikane dumela sedimo se segolo, sedimo sa seporofeto. Matshwanyane tikane e nna mmagwe ke o batlile nele tikane. Ke o batlile nele tikane e nna moetsi ya borramahura. Borramahura sedimo se segolo borratikane marapo a tshelang. Ke o batlile nele mahura e nna mmagwe. Dorcas mpotsa mahura. Dorcas mpotsa mahura e nna mmagwe. Wa rabile Revelation mahura ba sister e nna mmagwe. Ke go boditswe mahura the point popo. Ke nna ke go boditswe mahura. Ke motho wa makuru mo labo ba botse botse ba thoko. Ba ka di tsela ba ba go ba 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 go nyala mo mahura re jana mari ko metse ka ditoko. Thank you so much guys. That was just my introduction. So later I was saying, hey, that's Mama for you. So this is my last poem. From the mountains of doom, from the mountains of destruction.
Are you ready? Yes. So I'm going to need your help. I'm going to need you to clap your hands. Rhythmically, I'm going to give you the rhythm. And then you're going to sing something. It's very simple. Are you with me? Yes. Those with me say Tamaku. Tamaku. Those with me say Tamaku. Tamaku. How far? So this is the rhythm. Take it slowly. That's it. Don't stop. Don't stop. Let's go. Now we're gonna sing. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh, and then. Oh, oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, that's what you say. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, keep on. Come on. out of our own will.
Yes.
Tamam? A song in Africa, there are different in different countries. The word ingoma is used in different languages, but with the same meaning. Here in South Africa, we have two meanings. We have ingoma, which is a song, and then isangoma. Now, isangoma connects us to a spiritual meaning of what a song is. Tamako. So what does this tell us really? Isangoma, the word. Isa, this is a simile, which means it is like. Tamako. A song. Without a song, the spiritual intelligence of Isangoma is inactive. Ngaphandle kwengoma. So basically when we sing a song, it is not our own song, but it's a song that is sang on a spiritual realm. So when we sing it, we are basically tapping into that spiritual realm. Tamaku. So we cannot really say we own the song, but it is not our song, it is the song of the spirits. We only sing it because there is a message that we have to deliver to the people. tunnel with my name on the walls, my face listening from the reflected shimmering lullabies of rushing streams, echoing my grandmother's relentless screams. I was here before this morning's dawn. I had sweet melodies before the illuminated heavens bleached, the tune marinated before the end of time would reach. I was startled by the relentless rising sun, for it knows how to swallow the secrets of the night. Yes, I remember now. I was definitely here. I had my muffled screams as I battled to breathe, deafening cracks of tender rib cages as they embraced the particles of life, pupils peeling for its form as the torrent march of life pierced through illusions. I had her through this chaos. Her words dressed in a velvet smile, vivid as day, warm as the tip of my tongue. She said, I am my name. Don't shrink. So yeah, thank you.
You were holding me so tight.
Bamboo Star.
Basta! Betul naman, guys. Ay mo, time shit.
You know the dream, Buffy.
If I was a model, guys, I'm someone. You're running them game, girl. You so tight. Shit. It's giving her. Yeah. Ooh, guys, if I was a model, guys, I'm spoiling you guys so much. Yeah. Open up to myself.
Nah. You find your way back in the house and kitchen. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm finding your way back.
Go.
Take a photo, take a video, make a trend. Alright. So, we are about to call on one of the Sabisi sisters, Agostella, with Next.
Yes, baby.
Put that out.
However,
The truth is all Africa. Apple smash. Apple smash. Apple smash.
yeah,
Can I get an issue? Can I get an issue?
Give it up for Ufi Apparel. Can everybody please give a motherfucking round of applause to Ufi? Come on, what you here for? Ufi. Yeah. Yes, sir. That's how we do it at Black Art Fever. Make sure to follow on all digital platforms. Yeah, this is Ufi Apparel, right here on the runway. Also follow them on social media everywhere. Rock, Rihanna.
Only girls though.
What's the label? It's the way. It's the way. master level.
Yes, Beko. 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 Hey! Kick a push! Kick a push! Go push!
Can I hear everybody say yeah?
Rooftop music in Cuba. Yeah, rooftop music in Cuba. Yeah, 18 years old, 18 years, put that shit on, dog. Put that shit on.
I'm a menace to society. Fucking reality. From the belly of the beast. The shit I'm headed for this kid. Don't sleep on you speaker. That we speak from the dirty south side. Except to speak my actions. Fuck AI. Fuck the street. C'est pas du laptop. C'est pas du king on. C'est pas du drive. C'est pas du king. C'est pas online. C'est online. Let me find Manchester. Rap kings, I'm a best. Fuck up and down with a chest. I like me a little party. Throw your place for once. 60 bucks up the Ferrari. I think I'm not going to First time is bright. Second time is bright. Yeah. Where the range is in?